Hey you guys, welcome back. For today's video, I thought I would just have some fun with Colourpop. I have a lot of Colourpop makeup that I want to try out, so I figured this would be the perfect opportunity. I've already done my face with the products that aren't Colourpop that I'm using today. So I have my foundation, contour, bronzer, blush done. The rest of the products will be Colourpop, aside from mascara and eyeliner, which I'll do after I'm finished with my eyeshadow. The look I'm going for today is going to be a cool toned cut crease. I really wanted to try out this little mini palette. It's called the Pretty Much palette. And this has a lot of cool tones, some berries and taupe colors in it. This is what the palette looks like. This has your berry and your taupe shades, so I thought this would be perfect for a cool tone. And I'm thinking concealer. I have the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'll use this, and I'll also use this to do the cut crease. And this is in the shade Fair Neutral. So I'll go ahead and start with concealer. My mom bought me this card for my birthday. How cute is that? It's a little dog with a face mask and cucumbers on his eyes. I just thought that was adorable. So that's going to be the background of the video for a little while. So, concealer. I don't do the triangles. I don't use a lot because I have really dry skin. So I try to just get it right here where that darkness is. I typically use this little mini blending sponge. I like to do one eye at a time. And I'm just gonna set that with my with this Coty Airspun powder. I love this. I don't like the smell, but it's really great for setting concealer. It just makes the under eyes look so bright and smooth. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, this Colourpop concealer is a really nice concealer, and it's so affordable. It's like $6, I think. You really can't go wrong with that. All right, let's dig into the palette. Ooh, I think I'm going to use this palette. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with this shade here, and then I'm probably going to use that as well, and then in the outer corner kind of deepen it up with this shade. And I'm not going to put any shimmers on today, and then I'm going to do a cut crease, and then on my lid I'm going to use this color Bill, this Super Shock Shadow from Colourpop. I love this for cut crease. And I love putting this on my lid when I do a cut crease. Okay, so we'll start out with this taupey shade here. Just put that all over the crease. I really like this color. In the pan, it looks like a taupe. But on, it definitely looks like it has a berry tone to it. That's insane. Okay. But it's like the perfect berry, like for a crease. It's not too dark. It's not too bright. It's just that perfect transition shade for, I think this is the perfect transition shade for a cool toned eye look. So I'm going to go in with this darker one now and put that in the outer corner and then start to blend it into the crease. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the fluffier brush that I've been using from e.l.f. and just blend through this all together. So, I'm going to take the Colourpop concealer, and I'm just going to place a little bit in the center of my eyelid. Like that. And I'm going to take this cream eyeshadow brush, and this is by Unique, but this is just the brush that I love using for this. Okay, and then I'm just going to paint it across my eyelid as evenly as I possibly can. So I'm going to go back and just put a little more to get this to go a little, to get the cut of it to go higher, a little higher. Okay, so now that I have it just about the way I want it, I'm going to take this Super Shot, excuse me, the Super Shot. Okay, so now that I have the cut crease, the concealer, and I cut the crease the way I wanted it, I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow and Bill, and I'm just going to use my fingertip to apply that all over my eyelid on top of where I put that concealer. I'm just going to tightly pack that lighter shade that I started with here, and I'm going to just tightly pack that under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a fluffier brush and just blend that in. So it doesn't look too different, but it just adds a subtle touch of color underneath. I've really been liking this Total Temptations Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I got it in waterproof, and I've been using this a lot lately. This is in brownish black, so I'll just wear that today. So now I have 3 more Colourpop products to use. I'm going to use the Flexitarian highlighter, and then I have a lip liner and a couple of lippies to choose from. So we'll go ahead and do, I think I'm going to do lips next and save highlighter for the last. So I'm going to use this lip liner. It is in Lippy Pencil Skimpy. It's a really pretty nude color. And then I'm going to use the shade I Love Sarah 2. Really nice nude color. Last but not least, highlighter. So pretty. So guys, this is it. This is the finished look. I used as many Colourpop products as I had. The other stuff I just kind of used whatever, but didn't really showcase it or in this video, because I really just wanted to highlight all of the Colourpop products I have, because Colourpop is such a good brand. It's very affordable, and the products are very good quality as well. So you definitely get what you pay for plus, and you don't have to go and spend an absurd amount of money to be able to do a full face of makeup and have it look like you're using very expensive products. And I just thought it would be fun to do a look, a cool toned cut crease today. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer a warm toned look or a cool toned look, and what your favorite style of makeup is, whether it's a halo eye, a cut crease, a smoky eye. I would just love to hear what you guys have to say, and how you guys, you know, what your favorite kinds of makeup products are and what your favorite makeup looks are. I think it would be fun to learn about you all. Since you guys, you know, see my videos, you know what my preference is, you know what I like. I would also like to learn what you enjoy and what your preferences are. I would love it if you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber here, thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. New subscribers, subscribe to my channel. I have an April giveaway video up. Go check it out, see if you might want to enter. Good luck to everybody who does enter. I had so much fun creating this look today, and gosh, I just love this highlighter, Flexitarian. I actually got a little carried away with it, but that's okay. I had fun. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!